Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a lot more competitive and a bit more challenging. So let's get to it then. So what I'm going to be making is a light, basically. It's like a lamp. So you can get these, like you use them for your, pouring your petrol into your car, I assume. I don't know a lot about cars, so yeah. But we're not going to be needing this top bit. So let's just get rid of that. Right, so yeah. So all we need is this bit. This is going to be basically the lampshade. And I've got one of these. I don't know if you can see it properly, but yep. You get two of these from Poundland, obviously pound. And I got one of these, also a pound from Poundland. I'm going to be putting this in here, but I'm going to be bending this in a bit so it slides straight in like so. And then I've got some stones here. I'm going to put the stones at the bottom. Obviously it's alright like that, but just to weigh it down a bit more, I'm just going to put a few stones in the bottom. Yeah, so there's that. This is the light. You pick this up for a pound from Poundland. If you want to be taking this bit off, make sure you go around with a hairdryer. But me, I didn't decide to do that. I decided to break it, but I broke only this bit. So, but I don't really need this bit anyway. Every time I see these and I see that bit, do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast, where the rose in that thingamabob. Anyway, back to doing this. So, what else am I going to be doing? So, I'm going to be undoing this bit. Well, I might have to get the air dryer at it because I think it's hot glued in. And then I'll be taking this little bit off inside because it's just like a little light bit there. And inside here, it's got a bit there. I don't know if you can see it. A little metal bit. So I'm going to be trying to take that out. And then what else? I think, well, I've got this as well. This is going to be obviously either glued in or tied on to hold it up. You know, like, so it's like got a little bit of a handle bit, so then it hooks on the end of here. But yeah, so I just need to figure out how and what way I'm going to be having the light inside here. So yeah, so I shall be back soon and see how this gets on. I'm gonna start with doing the lamp bit first because I think that's gonna be the more challenging bit of it. So bye for now, and I'll see you soon. Hi guys, I've changed my mind a little bit. What I've done is I tied some rope around here. Tied one side and then went back round and tied it on the other side as well. And then I tried to glue it on the sides to try and hold it so it stayed like that, but that didn't work out, so I got one of these and just pulled it tightly. I managed to get the little metal bit out of there, so I'm just gonna thread that through if it goes through. Nope. Right, 1 second, it's been stubborn. So yeah, I've got it through. It was being a bit stubborn then. So yeah, that's basically like that. And then I've tied at the top like that, so when it hooks on. The reason why I've done that is because there's like, when it comes to changing the battery, because how else am I going to change the battery if it's just stuck inside? Because there'll be no way getting to it. So yeah, that bit is done at the moment. The next thing for me to do is to get this stuck in here and then put the stones in. So yeah, I should be done then. I don't think I'm going to be doing any touch-ups to it, because I think it'll be alright just the way it is. Because I don't think I can make anything look different on there. It's not like I can put like a bow on it. It's just, I don't know. Let's see what it looks like with a bow. See, the bow does look alright. What I'll do, I'll put it all together and then I'll decide if I want to put a bow on it or not. So, yeah, so bye for now. So I have finished it. Yeah, so that's looking fine. I end up putting the bow on. So I'll be back in a minute and I'll show you what it looks like with the light on. So here's the light on. Yeah, there's underneath it as well. So yeah, yeah, that's looking pretty good. So yeah, can you leave a comment below and tell me what you think, or comment what you would like me to do, as I would like something a little bit more challenging to make. And if you know anyone who's interested in this type of stuff, then can you share to them, please? Or if you want to share to all your friends, I really don't mind. And can you subscribe to my channel, please? And I shall see you next time. So bye for now. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.